Picture the ocean pulling back before a massive wave, nature's way of warning us that something powerful is about to unfold. It's a moment that feels almost unnatural, as if the world is holding its breath, waiting for the inevitable surge. In the world of finance and crypto, these moments of silence can be just as telling. There's an eerie calm that settles in, a quietness that signals something big is coming. It's not just the absence of noise, it's the anticipation, the sense that forces are gathering just out of sight. Right now, in the crypto space, Shiba Inu is in that very quiet phase. The headlines have slowed, the hype has faded, and the price charts look almost motionless compared to the wild volatility we've seen before. After months of wild swings and dramatic price action, Shiba Inu's price has settled into a period of relative calm. Many investors are left wondering, is this the calm before the storm, or the start of a long, uneventful stretch? Here at Shiba Insights, we see this silence not as a sign of weakness, but as a sign of underlying strength. Sometimes, the most important moves happen when no one is watching. While the price may seem flat on the surface, the Shiba Inu ecosystem is buzzing with activity behind the scenes. Developers are hard at work, new partnerships are quietly being formed, and innovative projects are being built that could change the game for the entire community. And let's not forget the SHIB army, the passionate community that continues to grow, organize, and support the project, even when the spotlight isn't shining as brightly. This disconnect between price and progress is something we see time and again in crypto. Often, the market overlooks the real story, focusing only on short-term price action while missing the groundwork being laid for future success. Think of it like a tech company quietly innovating while its stock price stagnates. The real value is being built out of sight, with new features, partnerships, and infrastructure that will eventually drive growth. The real question isn't if the market will catch up, but when. Timing is everything, and those who pay attention during these quiet periods are often the ones best positioned for what comes next. Shiba Inu isn't just another meme coin waiting for a burst of hype. It's evolving into a decentralized movement with real-world applications and a community-driven vision that's building genuine value for the long term. The silence you're seeing now is potential gathering strength, like energy building before a breakthrough. It's a period of preparation, not stagnation. In the next sections, we'll break down the forces at play, from investor behavior and market psychology to technical signals and ecosystem developments, to show why this quiet period could be the prelude to Shiba Inu's most exciting chapter yet. The story of Shiba Inu is far from over. In fact, the most compelling chapters may still be unwritten, so stay tuned, because what comes next could redefine what's possible for Shiba Inu and for the entire crypto world. To see where Shiba Inu is going, we first need to look back at the wild ride it's just been on. The past few weeks have been nothing short of dramatic for SHIB holders, with price swings that have tested the nerves of even the most seasoned investors. Shiba Inu's recent roller coaster began with a powerful rally, fueled by excitement and a surge of new buyers hoping to catch the next big wave. Prices soared to new highs, drawing headlines and attention from across the crypto world. But after the euphoria, a sharp correction hit. Panic set in as the price dropped quickly, and many newcomers, unprepared for such volatility, sold their holdings in fear, worried the rally was over for good. Yet, despite the heavy selling, the price didn't collapse completely. Instead, SHIB found a strong support level and began a slow, steady recovery. This was a crucial moment, showing that the coin had real staying power. This resilience proved that Shiba Inu isn't just a passing fad or a meme with no substance. It's a project with a dedicated community and a growing base of believers. The recovery wasn't driven by hype or quick profits, but by long-term holders who truly believe in the project's future. These investors held firm, even as others exited. Like rebuilding a sandcastle after a powerful wave, the Shiba Inu community came together, reinforcing the project's foundations and supporting each other's stronzo. Waindadi valda and South Fraude Storton. The A's Dewisher Nawisa, Solzan Swine. This cycle, shakeout, recovery, and consolidation, has made SHIB stronger and more resilient than before. Each challenge has only added to its strength. The recent turbulence weeded out short-term speculators, leaving behind a core group of committed holders who truly believe in Shiba Inu's long-term vision. Now, the castle stands stronger than ever, ready to face whatever comes next in the crypto market's unpredictable tides. Shiba Inu's foundation is more solid than ever, built on the strength of its community and the lessons learned from its recent roller coaster ride. In the world of cryptocurrency, the terms diamond hands and paper hands are more than just internet memes. They represent distinct mindsets and strategies. Paper hands are those who sell at the first sign of trouble, often chasing quick gains and reacting impulsively to market fluctuations. They are driven by fear and the desire to avoid losses. On the other hand, diamond hands hold through market storms, believing in the long-term potential and growth of their investments. They remain steadfast, even when the market is volatile. Recent volatility in SHIB, a popular cryptocurrency, has clearly separated these two types of investors. On-chain data reveals that there are now more long-term holders than ever before, investors who truly believe in the project's future and are committed to seeing it succeed. These diamond hands are not just passive holders, they are active participants in the ecosystem. They vote on governance proposals, stake their cryptocurrency to support the network, and contribute to building the community. Their unwavering commitment helps absorb selling pressure and stabilizes the project, making it more resilient to market fluctuations. Unlike fleeting meme coins that come and go, SHIB's base of true believers is steadily growing, creating a strong foundation for future growth. The recent market shakeout has transferred tokens from short-term speculators to committed long-term holders, strengthening the community. This consolidation phase is bullish for SHIB, as future growth will be built on a solid and stable foundation, supported by dedicated investors. The project is now in the hands of dedicated gardeners who are nurturing it with care and patience. With such a committed community, Shiba Inu's future looks resilient and promising, ready to flourish in the coming years. Shiba Inu started as a meme, but it's evolving fast. Once dismissed, it's now accepted by major retailers and payment processors worldwide. Platforms like BitPay and Now Payments have integrated SHIB, expanding its real-world utility. The ecosystem isn't just about payments. ShibaSwap, its decentralized exchange, processes billions in volume. SHIB holders can earn, govern, and participate in a growing DeFi economy. With plans for Shibarium, a metaverse, and play-to-earn games, SHIB is building far beyond its meme origins. The project's ambition and development team are driving real innovation. Shiba Inu is now a case study in digital evolution. It's no longer just a joke, it's a serious contender. For chart watchers, SHIB's price action is telling. A massive falling wedge pattern has formed, a classic bullish signal. After months of consolidation, SHIB has broken out above resistance. Think of it as a dam cracking after holding back a flood. Analysts see this as the start of a major move, not just a random spike. Multiple experts are forecasting a rally, with some eyeing previous all-time highs. Technical analysis isn't a guarantee, but when the charts and fundamentals align, it's a powerful combination. The breakout must hold, but the setup is strong. SHIB's story and its chart are finally in sync. The spring is uncoiling, momentum is building. Technology matters, but community is everything in the end. When lead developer Kusama went silent, uncertainty spread quickly. Community leader Lucy stepped up, keeping the SHIB army focused and calm. This showed Shiba Inu isn't dependent on one person. Leadership is distributed. Kusama's dramatic return with cryptic messages and a reset reignited excitement. His actions, paired with the technical breakout, created a surge of optimism. The SHIB army proved its resilience and unity in tough times. Shiba Inu is more than code. It's a powerful movement. The real story is in the data. On-chain activity is surging, more trading, more active wallets, more users engaging with ShibaSwap. This isn't just speculation, it's real ecosystem growth. Each new user strengthens the network, creating a cycle of adoption and value. ShibaSwap's evolution is central, providing utility and anchoring the ecosystem. With technical breakouts, developer returns, and growing adoption, all signs point upward. These aren't isolated events, they're pieces of a bigger puzzle. The wave is coming. The next chapter for Shiba Inu could be its most defining yet.